The digital agenda for Europe is a key pillar of the European 2020 strategy. It includes an ambitious action line to promote the Internet as a fundamental enabler for the future European digital society. Its implementation, we expect, will dramatically change the life of the European citizens and will place Europe at the forefront of the ICT-enabled innovation. In this context, the PARADISO message is quite important. We all want the future Internet to be a key tool to address the emerging sustainability challenges that our world face, and which concern environment, economy, energy, and the whole society. This is a very important guiding vision, and is even more important in the context of our research and development efforts that are nowadays systematically organized through the Future Internet Assembly. The effort of Europe in the domain of future Internet has little equivalent in the global scale. Compared to other initiatives, the Future Internet program in Europe takes an holistic perspective, encompassing research and development in fields like network infrastructure, software, services, trust, security, content and media technologies. And you can guess that some of the key drivers are therefore Web 3.0, social networks, mobile internet access, new content usages, Internet of Things, new web services, etc. But for the next 2 years, we are going to reinforce our strategy by launching a public-private partnership on future Internet that we expect to be a very concrete example of the innovation-based strategy that is behind Europe 2020. Two particular aspects that I would like to highlight on the Future Internet PPP. Because on one side, it aims to strengthen and expand the competitiveness of the innovative European ICT industry, but on the other end, it is expected to accelerate the trend towards a more sustainable society with smarter and more sustainable business processes. Let me also highlight in this context the very important role of the FIRE initiative, because it reinforces the previous elements of our strategy by the experimental approach in which we will explore advanced future Internet concepts and ideas through real experimentation in sophisticated testing environments. This will allow assessing, for example, beforehand, the possible social and economic impacts of the new Internet technologies. And that's precisely within the FIRE initiative that PARADISO is being launched. You know, today, the future Internet is not anymore a subject of technological research, but also a subject of research of most humanistic sciences, such as sociology, economy, marketing, or anthropology. And therefore, creating a scientist profile able to understand all these different perspectives is one of the ambitions of the Internet science, in which PARADISO will make a contribution and in which an initiative has been recently launched. Well, all these developments are well in line, as you could see, with the PARADISO project, which aims to identify a way forward based on a true sustainable development, on more sustainable economic and financial models, on more equally shared resources. And interesting enough, those objectives are also fully in line with the Innovation Union flagship. That is a flagship also recently launched in the context of the overall Europe 2020 strategy. Because the Innovation Union aims at refocusing R&D and innovation policies on the challenges facing our society, such as climate change, energy and resource efficiency, health or demographic change. We therefore look forward to the PARADISO recommendations on how to set the priorities in ICT and Internet research in order to achieve these goals. PARADISO is expected to help all European research actors to make sense of the investments done in Europe in the domain of future Internet, especially in a moment where we have revamped our reflection on the way the future framework programs will work. So let me thank the PARADISO project for speaking to this technologically dominated world with what I would like to qualify as being the voice of the citizens.